Hi guys, welcome to Samtech Pro. Today in this video I will show you how I used these cheap available hubs, the USB hubs, and I converted them into multiple port USB charger for tablets, for phones, and for every kind of purpose. Here is the base plate of the USB port. I drilled some hole and I've tried to fix this into the lid of the project box, and it fits nicely. And you see, this is the power jack from where we're gonna go plug the power inside this one, and these are the holes for this power supply, which is 5 volts and 5 amps. And this supply is really working great. Now these two screws will be there. So here is another board. These two boards have the USB parallel IC removed because I don't want this IC to mess up with the charging principle. Now here I use 33K in between data positive and data negative pins to provide standard charging, and this is how the lid will look like after assembling. In the another port I shorted a data positive and data negative for the fast charging. This is how my cell phone was working, so I planned it according to that cell phone. This was the original USB cable. I drilled the hole, but that doesn't work. So here I just have plugged my alligator clip to the mains, which will go to the series board just to check that, and I will plug it in and see if it works or not. I'll try it with my mobile phone. I'll try it with a USB voltmeter. Here I powered it on. This thing is wonderful that this board has a light. So this is 5.19 volts which were on the power supply, and first and the last port are working. That means the center would be of course working. So almost the same voltage. Now at this USB tester I would like to put a load on it, 1 ampere and 2 ampere. I'll put a resistive load. Here I have a resistive load. It is currently on 1 amp, so 0.87. I'm not sure about that. So this is on 2 ampere, so 1.69, and voltage is quite popped. But this thing is working with the cell phones and it is charging. The right one USB hub, which had the 33K resistor, is charging just like just like your computer charge it on standard principle, which is around 500 milliamperes. As you can see, it shows 0.43 amps. So this is on the other port, and you can see it is charging really very fast, and it shows the indication that it is fast charging. And this is how it looks like, and it looks cool, I think. So that's it for now. Do like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Thank you.